a beautiful morning for some death and destruction.
You're down there.
I got one back here.
You're both going. Put it right in his ear there. There you go. Good shot.
Where are they at?
There's one right there. Oh, good shot.
Yeah.
Good shot.
All right.
There's another one right there. Alright, get that one right there. There you go.
There we go.
There you go. Alright, put one in her ear. There you go. Good shot.
This thing's huge.
Good shot.
Hayfield.
Where's that now?
Towards the oil tanks on the left.
Oh,
Oh, yeah,
right there.
I see them. There's like 4. Yeah, straight on the line.
There you go. There you go. Good shot. Hell yeah.
All right. Coyote.
Good shot. Wait, there you go. Now get him. There you go. That's aggravating, isn't it?
That was pathetic is what that was.
Are we just high? I can't even tell where I'm hitting.
Yeah, that's what you got. Keep both eyes open. That way you can see where you're hitting that one bastard before he gets to the brush. There you go. Alright, smoke him. Good shot. 3 of them.
He's down.
Okay. Good shot.
There's a shitload of pigs.
Shitload of pigs right down there.
Okay.
Are we fair to shoot these guys?
Yep, you're good.
I'm doing you all night.
Good. Nice.
Starting to like this gun.
Oh, sounds like we need to finish them off. Got us a squealer. yes.
Get him!
Contestant number 2. Oh, come on, guys. He's laughing at you. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Good job.
Yeah, we got him.
Oh, yeah, they're all in the open now. Oh, good shot, Nick.
Got him!
I love it. Oh, yeah. Coming out of the field. Good eye. I like these easy ones. Yeah, he's just doing a little death kick. That's all. Hang on, let's get those big ones first. Good shot. Did you get that one?
Yeah, I got him.
There you go. Challenge round.
Safety on.
Thank you, thank you. Jeez. Holy shit. All that Milo knocked down.
Nice shot.
Hell yeah.
Thank you.
That side
Get him
up.
right there, get him. Woo! I'd like to push some out. Yes.
I just shot that hog without the scope. The scope came off.
The scope came off. Where's the scope at? Okay. Nice. Good shooting. I'm like in the water right there, fixing to come across. All right, shoot him right there.
Hey, hand me a bag, will you? I'm out.
Shit, man, I'm out.
We are headed back.
I'm out too.
Perfect. That means we did good if we shot all the ammo that they sent.
Well, that was a good way to end it.